Hi, everybody. It's Tammy Van Hollander from Mainline Play Therapy. Today, I want to give you a quick suggestion for something to be doing for telehealth for the new year. As you know, I am always giving different ideas for greatness and how we are helping kids as well as all of our clients really find that greatness and that resiliency in themselves and in others. So, just giving you guys a quick idea for today. Let me share my screen. Now, although I have this on the whiteboard, you can be doing this way more creatively. This can be done in the sand tray. This can be done with paper, collage, anything you need to do. There are so many ways that we can be creative. But this is just the basis of the intervention. And I am going to show you, since I've been sharing so much with all of you in terms of my own personal life, a little bit how we can look at these greatness goals. So, first, when looking at 2020, let's look at the challenges. So, on one side of the piece of paper or in the sand tray, you can do what are the challenges? What have your challenges been for 2020? Mine have been moving out of my house after 22 years, then living in a hotel for a while, then moving into a new home, moving into telehealth. I've had many more challenges, but I wanted to just give you a couple of them. So, due to these challenges of 2020, it has made me so much more flexible. It has tested my patience, my adaptability, my bravery, my ability to be brave and to take risks in a telehealth format, something that was very new to me. So when I look at these greatness qualities of 2020, of flexibility, patience, adaptability, bravery, and being a risk taker, this fearlessness has really been helpful for me to look at when reflecting back on a super hard year and these challenges. But these challenges have made me stronger in so many ways. Looking forward to 2021, let's discuss what would be your greatness goals? What are the things that you want to be better at in 2021? We're still going to have many challenges, but what are the things we're really going to focus on? What are those greatness goals? Mine are to be more productive, to be more mindful, whether that is mindful in terms of my eating, in terms of my exercise, being mindful about what am I going to take on for myself professionally as well as personally. My goal, which is always my goal, is to be more organized and to me be more motivated to do some things to push myself uh, for some things that I have not done before. I have a couple things lined up, and I guess that also takes some fearlessness and some bravery. So those are my greatness goals. So you can think about what has been your greatness for the year of 2020 and what are your greatness goals. This can be done with the family and with adults of all ages. So I hope that this was helpful. Wishing everybody a happy new year, happy holiday, and we are almost in 2021. It's the countdown. Take care, guys.